According to China EV Post, Leapmotor's first T03 small electric vehicles rolled off Stellantis assembly plant in Poland last week. They are on schedule for mass production in September. The joint venture, Leapmotor International, plans to start production of the Leapmotor A12 SUV in the first quarter of 2025. Manufacturing costs at the Polish plant are about $428 to $535 per vehicle. Leapmotor plans to build the C10 SUV in China and export it to Europe. On October 26, 2023, Stellantis announced a $1.6 billion investment in Leapmotor for a 20% stake. Leapmotor International, headquartered in Amsterdam, will initially cover markets including Belgium, France, Italy, Germany, Greece, the Netherlands, Romania, Spain, and Portugal. They aim to expand their European sales network to 200 by the end of the year. The T03 is a compact battery electric vehicle and the least expensive of Leapmotor's models. It offers three versions with starting prices of $6,880, $8,386, and $9,793. Their ranges are 124 miles, 193 miles, and 250 miles. In 2023, the T03 sold 35,454 vehicles, contributing 24.6% of Leapmotor's annual sales of 144,155 units. You are listening to Yuan News.